Hey guys, I'm the one who pulls the strings, and today I'll be doing my everyday makeup routine. This has been super requested from you guys, from people in real life, in the comments. People just want to know how I do my makeup every day, and yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing that I do before I put on any makeup at all is I wipe my face down with a makeup wipe. I want to make sure that my skin is clean before I put on makeup because, as everyone knows, makeup can clog pores and they can really make your skin break out if your skin isn't clean. So you always want to make sure that your skin is clean, and yeah, just kind of like wipe, you know, kind of everywhere. Wipe your nose, your chin, your cheeks, you know. Just want to make sure everywhere is kind of clean, and we want to make sure that nothing really stays on the face before putting on your makeup. There we go. So now that my skin is all clean, I always make sure to put on some moisturizer. The reason why I do this is because my skin is pretty dry throughout the day, and I want to make sure that it's all moisturized, and makeup honestly can dehydrate your skin, especially if you already have really dry skin like mine. So yeah, just kind of put it on everywhere, make sure everything is coated, and then we're ready to apply makeup. Okay, so the next thing I do is put on a hydrating face primer by e.l.f. right there. I really like this one because it just hydrates your face even while you're putting on makeup, and I really want to keep that. Hydration. I don't want to have dry skin all day, especially when wearing makeup and going out and just having it all on day and not being able to take it off when I get home. So what I do, I just squirt a little bit on my finger right there. See, it's kind of like a little cream. And what I do, I just apply it everywhere and then just rub it in. Yeah, just rub it really well into my skin, making sure that it covers all the creases, and to make sure, you know, when I go out with all the makeup on, that it just goes on flawlessly. And yeah, and maybe you can even add a little bit more if you want to, but it even brings out a really nice glow to your skin. So you know, when putting on foundation and powder and blush and lipstick and all that kind of stuff, eyeshadow, it'll just go on really smoothly, and yeah, I just really love this product. And so that's the end of my everyday makeup routine. I know it's a little bit extravagant, guys, but don't worry. I know there's a lot going on, but you guys can do this. That's why I put out this tutorial. And even though it's really extravagant and it's a lot going on my face, I really like to go out like this every day. And yeah, makeup is my passion. So if you want more makeup videos, just subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thank you so much, guys.